monthly magazine. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, I rise to speak on the Securities Laws Amendment Bill 2014 as passed by Lok Sabha. This bill presented by the Honorable Finance Minister seeks to amend the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992, the Securities Contracts Regulation Act 1956, and the Depositors Act 1996. I welcome this bill and support it wholeheartedly. Actually, the UPA government had proposed three ordinances. They brought them and they were very much eager to give more power, more strength, and more teeth to SEBI so that they could control and take acts against the people who were adopting fraudulent measures and trying to cheat the public. Here, the most important thing is the capital market is very much interlinked with the Indian economy. If the capital market is strong, sound, and healthy, naturally the economic growth will also be strong. But unfortunately, so many people became victims of the Shraddha deposit scam. So many innocent people, middle class people, old people who had saved money for future were cheated by the Shraddha deposit scheme. Due to this scheme, it was realized that we have to have very stringent and strict rules to control all these things. In fact, as all of us now, many people committed suicide. They had suffered so much that they came to the streets. Such things always have a chain reaction. Because of such schemes, people are afraid to invest in the capital market. If you don't invest, you can't think of economic growth and industrial growth. Therefore, it is very much important. Due to this reason, the UPA government felt it and brought three ordinances, but they could not replace them with the bill due to certain other circumstances. So, I welcome this bill. If the country has to progress, we must attract capital. This bill is going to attract the common man because they will feel that their money is safe. SEBI is not going to keep quiet. If anybody follows fraudulent measures, that is a very welcome measure. Sir, you will be surprised to know that previously, out of 11 regional exchanges, 1700 listed companies disappeared because of frauds committed by so many people. It created a panic in the country. Full stop. As a result, the economic growth also has gone down phenomenally because money was not coming. In fact, if one scam take place at least for 3 years. People get completely stuck. They do not like to invest. Unfortunately, in the country, 3 4 scams have settled and harmed to the greatest extent our country. Full stop.